In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Miro account. Whether you're a team lead, designer, or just someone who loves organizing their thoughts visually, Miro is a great tool to have in your toolbox. Let's get started. First, head over to Miro.com. This is where we'll begin our journey of setting up your Miro account. Once you're on the homepage, glance around to see the various features Miro offers, but our focus today will be on creating an account. Next, look for the Sign Up Free button. It's usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on it and this will redirect you to the sign up page where you can start the registration process. Miro emphasizes ease of access, so creating an account should be quick and straightforward. Now on the sign up page, you'll need to enter your work email. If you don't have one, that's okay, but a valid email is necessary since you'll receive an email to verify your account. Once you've entered your email, press continue with email. This will initiate the account validation process via a link sent to your inbox. Alright, it's time to head over to your email inbox. Look out for an email from Miro. It might land in your spam folder, so check there if you don't see it immediately. Once you find the email, go ahead and open it. Inside the email, you'll see a login to my Miro account link. Click on it. This link will take you back to Miro and log you into your newly created account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to start working on your virtual workspace. Click on Create a New Team. This is an exciting step as it allows you to set up for collaboration. After this, you'll need to name your team. Think of something creative or practical that represents the group you'll be working with. You'll then be prompted to select what kind of work you do. This helps Miro tailor the experience to better fit your professional needs. Following that, you'll be asked to select your role within the organization. If it's your first time using Miro, make sure to indicate that there's always help and guidance for beginners. Also, you're given the option to select the size of your company, which assists in adjusting the tool's features to your environment. Sharing is an essential part of collaboration in Miro. You can easily copy the link of your workspace and share it with team members or enter their emails directly. If you're not ready to share just yet, you can choose to skip this step for now. Finally, click on Start from Scratch to open up a blank board where all your ideas can start to form. Before diving into your projects, set a secure password to protect your account and confirm it. Once you've done that, hit Set Password to finalize everything. And there you have it, you've successfully created a Miro account. Now, you can start exploring all the features Miro has to offer and begin putting your ideas into action. Enjoy your new productivity space and happy collaborating.